Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Heaven Panty, a monthly or bi-monthly panty subscription. You get to choose your frequency with this one as well as how many pairs of panties you want. So I believe the first month is always like a free trial, but after that if it's one panty a month it's $9.99 or $16.99 a month for 2 panties or every other month. So I love that they offer that. So you fill out a profile with this one, you let them know what colors, patterns, or no patterns that you like, size. They even ask you what your size is at other retailers to help you determine what would be best for their company. And they even have measuring tape they send with you the first time to like double check. So you can update your profile and you can exchange it if it doesn't fit. And I think there's some in here too. They keep sending me some, so thank you. This is sent to me free for review, but not sponsored, no affiliate links or anything like that. And I realized when I was prepping to film that I actually have a pair of theirs on, a Heaven panty on, not on purpose. It's one of the red ones, like that's solid in the front and lacy in the back, like super cute. That's kind of like the theme. I always say this, but like Heaven panty, it's like kind of sexy but comfy at the same time, you know, and I like love that. So I believe there's one in here and we're gonna see what we got this month. I will link them down below, of course, but you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. I just want to say hi before we get to unboxing or unbagging. If you guys are new, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them pretty much every single day here at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you love them too, if you love my vibe, that you love, you know, unboxings, I hope you consider subscribing before you go. I do monthly giveaways, by the way, for my subscribers. I pick an actively engaged subscriber at random. So, I mean, I don't want that to be the only reason why you stick around, but if you love unboxing, definitely make sure. And I know YouTube unsubscribes people. Like, I don't understand how. So maybe this when I open this bag right now, I can double check that you're subscribed. Ooh. And they have a great loyalty program. Ooh, how did I get... Oh, in my last video I filmed, I was showing you guys my plant. And I dropped some, like a little piece of dirt in the ground. But anyways, back to Heaven Panty. So here is the measuring tape they send. Look, there's a cute little picture of panties and it shows you where to measure. So that's really nice that they do that. I have a few of these now and I used it today. I bought new sheets and I was measuring my mattress to make sure, because I have a king size and I want like deep pockets. So I was measuring it and I used one of these. So came in handy even after like measuring for them. But yeah, if you like them on Facebook, share a picture or review them on their website, you get 50% off up to 3 orders, so 150% off total. So that's pretty cool. And they have a referral program. You can give your friend, I think it's $20, and then you get $20 off as well. And their panties always come in a bag like this, so you can get a little like glimpse of what it is, like what color it is. Looks like we got a black pair. I think that's so cute that they do that, and you can reuse this if you want, a resealable bag. So this is a hipster / bikini, and it says comfy and lacy. And if you guys are curious, I get a size large and it fits well, so maybe size up, but again, they'll let you put in like what your size is at other places and you'll get a little measuring tape to double check. And I don't know why I feel compelled to tell you, but maybe this matters. The style number is 6017. So let's get that. Comfy and lacy. Ooh, is there like a little jewel on this? Let's get this off. Does it say right on here, the store credit thing? Yes, it is $20. So best time to make friends, give 20, get 20 store credit. So this is similar to the one I'm wearing now, but different. Oh my god, there's butterflies on it! Okay, sorry, I got really excited. I talked about butterflies briefly in my last video too. That's so synchronicities, guys. But this is what the front looks like. So it's solid black, but you can see there's like a little bow with this little like gemstone. I don't know why I can't come up with words right now. That hangs down. I don't know why it reminds me of like a belly button ring. I had a belly button piercing. I still do because it never closed, but I haven't had one in there in a long time. And then here is the back. So it is sheer in the butt for most of it, but then look, there's these butterflies. I hope you could see, because since it's black, I'm trying. Oh, there you go. When I hold it at this angle, you could see, also you could see, ooh, that's a pretty pattern. But there's butterflies on the butt. I love, I did not expect that. They just got me really excited. I love butterflies. Oh my God, I think these are so cute. I'm not like big into like this in the front. It's not like I hate it or anything. But like the butterflies right there, oh my gosh. Again, let me try and get it. So cute. And I love the lace. Comfy and sexy, right? Like, and cute, like there's butterflies. But anyways, that's unique. This is definitely different than the one I'm wearing. The one I'm wearing just has like some lace detail like this, and then is all red elsewhere. So it doesn't have like any little bow, I don't think. Definitely no butterflies. I think that's so cute. So that is my panty of the month from Heaven Panty. Again, I will leave them down below. Oh, I think, yeah, you could see it does open a little bit by where the butterflies are. I don't think it'll be that noticeable, but just want to point that out. I love butterflies, but what was I saying? Yeah, this is my panty of the month. I will link them down below. And yeah, again, if you guys haven't already subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. And let me know how you're doing. Let me know what you think of my panty. I like it. I love it. I love butterflies. So, and I like black panties too, you know. Definitely convenient if you're worried about your period coming or something like that. But TMI is the name, my middle name. Yeah. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm in such a good mood today, you guys. I hope you guys are too. I hope you at least feel a little bit better after watching this video. I am seriously so grateful for each and every one of you. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. I love you so much. I hope you're safe. I hope you're healthy. And I will see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.